Guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to customize Notion icons and emojis. So let's get started. Step 1. Access Notion. Open Notion on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Notion website and create a free account. Create a page. In Notion, create a new page where you want to customize the icon or emoji. Click on the area where the icon is displayed, usually located at the top left corner of the page. Once you've clicked on the icon area, a dialog box will appear, giving you options for choosing an emoji or uploading your own icon. Browse through the available emojis and select one that fits your page's theme or purpose. If you want to use custom icons from hosted icon sets, you can simply paste the URL of the icon into the dialog box. This allows you to use icons from external sources and customize your Notion workspace even further. Review how the icon looks on your page and make any necessary adjustments. Once you are satisfied with the customization, click Submit or Save to finalize your changes. If you're using Notion's dark mode, make sure to toggle it on to ensure your icons are visible and properly displayed. Once you've finished customizing your icons and emojis, save your page and close the dialog box. Your Notion page is now ready with customized icons to enhance its visual appeal. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!